Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. This is just a quick tip on your windshield washer fluid, which I just filled up on my Suburban right here. Look at that, full. And I've been using this 303 tablets, and you add your own water. I've been using this for years. I've still got about a dozen left. They come 25 tablets in one of these tubes. Maybe it's $12, I don't know, something like that. Like I said, I haven't bought it in many years, so 25 gallons for $12. What's that, 50 cents a gallon? And this you buy at your auto parts store, probably about $3 now, maybe more than that. So 50 cents, $3. 50 cents, $3. Mix your own. Just saying. Okay, give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Ring the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. And does it work just as good? Of course, it works just as good. There's no rocket science going on with windshield washer fluid. It does prevent freezing also. Okay? Froggy out. Bye-bye. Actually, I do not want to give you misinformation. It does say something here about adding some antifreeze to the tablets when you mix it up in the winter. So I don't know what that is. I live in Southern California, but just to be clear, this does not prevent the freezing of the windshield washer fluid. You have to have some other antifreeze component. Okay? Froggy out. Bye.